Hello, my friend, Chef Blondie here. Well, no, that's my Sous Chef Fuzzy.
Yep, I'm not Chef Blondie.
I'm behind the camera today, but I have a very special treat today. Oh, Fuzzy here, for my birthday coming up at the end of the week, decided to get me an Anova Precision Cooker Nano Sous Vide cooker. And I'm asking myself, what is sous vide?
I'm glad you asked me that. And the question from the floor was, what is sous vide cooking?
Yeah.
Now, it may look like I'm reading this, but actually I have it entirely memorized. Sous vide is a cooking technique where food is sealed in a vacuum bag or airtight container and cooked in a precisely temperature-controlled water bath for an extended period. The method, which translates to under vacuum in French, not in Russian, Chinese, or any other language, but in French, ensures even cooking throughout. It retains moisture and allows for consistent results. It is characterized by low temperature, long time cooking, often lasting from 1 to several hours, and is used to achieve perfect doneness in proteins, vegetables, and other foods. How's that for memorization?
Very good, Fuzzy.
Oh, thank you.
I'm glad you still got it together.
I tried my best.
But anyway, I've wanted one of these for quite a while. I used to see them on the different cooking shows that I would watch. And so I said, you know what? I've got some meat out in the freezer. So later we're going to try it out and see how it works.
Are you going to ask me what's in the box?
Fuzzy, what's in the box?
I don't know. I haven't opened it up yet. It says on the back.
Well, why did you decide to get the Anova? I know we looked at several, and you said this one is what we need.
The Anova Nano gets relatively good reviews. It is priced at a point for beginners, and since the test kitchen...
I've never used one before.
We've never used one before. It's the same methodology that we used with grain mills. We started out with a low-cost grain mill to see if it worked and to see if we liked making bread.
But there so many people buy this particular brand and love it. So
and so it says in the box there is an Anova Precision Cooker Nano and a quick start guide. It doesn't say that there's anything else. It also says that you have access to Anova Culinary app, which is an app for Android or for OS. I've researched the app. They've changed it recently. It gets poor reviews.
Yeah, I wouldn't do that. Yeah.
So, and you don't need the app. I mean, the app can be used for remote control and things like that, but that's not where we are. When we say we're going to cook something, we're in the kitchen cooking. So let's see if I can get this open.
But before you do that, what's that other thing?
Well, since it's your birthday present, really this is all you need is the precision cooker. You can use a regular pot. You can pull out the insert on an Instant Pot and use that. You could use any of your larger pots. But I thought, since it's your birthday, we'll get the official thing where there's a place to put the cooker in there and to keep the heat in the water rather than it rising up. This is not in the box and not part of the cooker. This is my multi-tool, and this is what I will use to open the box. And with luck, I won't hurt myself. So I see there's a piece of tape right here.
Okay, be careful.
It worked.
All right, good job.
Close this up before I do hurt myself.
Yes.
Get this out of the way. Well, it's partway open. And it's even more open. And
okay, what's that?
This may be the quick start guide.
Okay.
Let's see. And it is a sous vide immersion circulator, quick start guide. And it says that this is in Federal Communications Commission compliance.
Okay. Is there a warranty with this?
On the box, I believe the box said it is a 2-year warranty.
Okay.
Not just a 1-year warranty, but a 2-year warranty.
Okay.
So, and I've looked online.
Okay.
The manual is there, and then also hints on how to clean it and how to do other things for it. So there it is, fresh out of the box, and a quick start guide that looks like that. Then comes the cooker. And
that's interesting.
There are several pieces of plastic here. This is the control center.
Okay.
It has a digital readout, so you can see the temperature and set it.
Right.
We have to read all that very well before we start cooking. As I said, we have no experience with this. You're going to be coming along with us on this trip.
Right.
And let's see what happens.
Okay.
It gets a cord. One of the things that on another review that I saw, the cord is relatively long.
Okay.
Which means that if you have a good enough kitchen with lots of outlets, you're not going to have an extension cord or anything like that.
Okay.
Some people prefer a clamp to keep it on the side of the pot.
Right.
This has a screw-on insert.
Okay.
I have no preference.
Right.
I just think it's a way to secure it.
Okay.
And it also has a maximum level of water and the minimum level.
Okay.
So there it is. We're going to find out how it works. I mean, it goes down inside. It'll probably go inside here. We'll try that in just a second.
Right.
And
so we're going to be doing 2 New York strip steaks
tonight. We're not going to video that. We're going to find out what happens and make sure we really understand how to use it. And then, since this is the soon-to-be world-famous Serendipity Farmhouse Test Kitchen, and you folks are going to help us make it famous, because don't forget, like it if you like it even if you don't like it, and subscribe. We're working for this, lots of good reasons, and we have so much fun doing it. Enough of that. The second box opening, which Monty started out with, and by the way, his claws are much sharper than my multi-tool.
Yes, they are.
And he got right into it in a matter of seconds.
And he's a polydactyl, so don't mess with polydactyls.
Yeah, 24 claws. This works.
What's that inside there?
Design-driven gadgets. Now this is, it tells you how this gadget works.
Okay.
And then it tries to sell you more gadgets.
Oh, okay. All right. So how does the Anova go into that?
Well, I have never done it, and I haven't read the instruction guide.
Okay.
But let's just say that even old Fuzzface can figure it out.
Right, and then you clamp it on. Very good.
You clamp it on.
All right.
It goes in there.
Just fell down. What was that?
That was a piece that came off because I rubbed it down the wrong way. But
there goes my birthday present.
The concept works, and with the rest of this video, hopefully we'll be a little bit more prepared. But I've had so much fun, and it's not often that I get to open my beautiful wife's birthday presents. But this year, she let me have that privilege. So thank you, Chef Blondie.
You're very welcome, my sweetheart.
So wait for the rest of our video and find out how it goes.
All right. Happy cooking.